What if I told you that every single penny you have ever spent on Limescale removers, plumber callouts, and toilet cleaning products was completely unnecessary? What if the plumbing industry has been hiding a dead simple, nearly free solution from you for decades just to keep the money flowing into their pockets? Right now, sitting inside your kitchen cupboard, there's a single ingredient that costs less than $1, and it will destroy Limescale in your toilet permanently. No chemicals, no plumber, no expensive descaling tablets. The billion-dollar cleaning product industry does not want you to find this out. They have spent millions making sure this information never reaches your screen. But today, that changes. I'm going to show you exactly what this secret ingredient is, why it works on a chemical level, and how to use it in less than 10 minutes. Stay until the end, because the last tip will absolutely shock you. Think about your toilet right now. Really picture it. That brown, yellow, crusty ring sitting just below the waterline. That ugly, stubborn Limescale that no matter how hard you scrub, no matter how many bottles of expensive cleaner you pour in, it just keeps coming back. You scrub until your arm aches. You buy the strongest toilet cleaner on the shelf. You spend $4, $5, even $6 on a single bottle. You pour it in, leave it overnight, scrub again the next morning, and maybe it fades a little. But 2 weeks later, it is back, thicker, darker, almost mocking you. And that feeling of defeat is not an accident. That is by design. The people who manufacture those cleaning products know that their formulas only mask a Limescale. They do not destroy it at the root. Because if they actually fixed the problem, you would never buy another bottle again. The average household in a hard water area spends over $300 every single year on toilet cleaning products, descaling tablets, and Limescale removers. $300. Gone. Flushed away. Quite literally. And that does not even count the times the problem gets so bad that people call a plumber. A standard plumber call out for Limescale removal and descaling costs anywhere between $150 to $400, depending on where you live. Some people pay even more. And those same plumbers, they are in and out of your bathroom in 20 minutes using a solution that costs them almost nothing. They are charging you $300 for 20 minutes of work using a product that you could have bought for less than $1. Does that make you angry? It should. Because this has been going on for a very, very long time. Here is where it gets dark. The solution you are about to learn has existed since the early 1950s. After World War II, industrial cleaning operations in Germany and the United States were using a natural acid-based compound to strip mineral deposits from factory pipes and machinery. The results were extraordinary. Within hours, decades of calcium and mineral buildup simply dissolved. Engineers documented it, scientists confirmed it, and for a brief moment it looked like this information might go public. Then the chemical cleaning companies stepped in. By the late 1960s, a handful of major corporations, the same ones whose brands are sitting under your sink right now, began lobbying hard to keep this method buried. They understood that if everyday households knew how simple and cheap the solution was, the entire Limescale removal industry, worth billions of dollars globally, would collapse overnight. Patents were filed to block it. Marketing campaigns were launched to convince the public they needed complex chemical formulas. The word Limescale was deliberately made to sound frightening, like something only a professional could handle. And it worked. For 70 years, this knowledge has been passed down only in old world households, in rural communities, in the notebooks of retired plumbers who still remembered what actually worked before the corporations took over. What I'm about to show you is not a gimmick. They spent millions keeping this quiet. I found it buried in a 1963 home maintenance manual that was almost thrown away. Only 1% of people know this. And today, you are going to be one of them. You deserve to know the truth. The secret ingredient is white vinegar. Plain, ordinary distilled white vinegar. The kind you can buy at any grocery store for less than $1 per liter. Now, before you click away thinking you already know this, stay with me. Because what makes this work is not just the vinegar itself. It is the specific concentration, the temperature, and the method of application that 99% of people get completely wrong. White vinegar contains acetic acid, typically at a concentration of 5 to 8%. Limescale, the hard, crusty buildup in your toilet, is almost entirely composed of calcium carbonate. This is a mineral deposited by hard water every single time water flows through your pipes. Here is where the science matters. When acetic acid comes into direct, sustained contact with calcium carbonate, a chemical reaction occurs. The acid breaks down the calcium carbonate molecules into 3 byproducts: calcium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide gas. That fizzing you sometimes see when using any acid-based product on Limescale, that is the carbon dioxide escaping. That is the Limescale literally dissolving before your eyes. Professional descaling products that plumbers use and charge you $300 for are simply stronger acids, usually hydrochloric acid, doing the exact same reaction. The difference is that white vinegar is safe, non-toxic, costs almost nothing, and when used correctly is 90% as effective as those industrial strength products. Think about that. 90% of the result for 1% of the cost. 1%. Professional plumbers will charge you $300 to $400 to do something you can do yourself in 10 minutes for less than $1. The Limescale industry is not selling you a solution. It is selling you dependency, and today you stop depending on them. Now let me walk you through the exact method. First, you need to lower the water level in your toilet bowl. To do this, turn off the water supply valve at the back of the toilet, then flush once. This drains most of the water out of the bowl and exposes the limescale deposits above and below the waterline. This step is critical. Most people pour vinegar into a full bowl of water and the solution gets too diluted to work properly. Diluted vinegar is why most people try this and give up thinking it does not work. It does work. You just have to do it right. Next, heat your white vinegar. Pour roughly 500 milliliters, that is about 2 cups, into a saucepan and warm it on the stove until it is hot but not boiling. Hot vinegar is significantly more reactive. Heat increases the kinetic energy of the acid molecules, meaning they attack the calcium carbonate faster and more aggressively. This is the step the plumbers do not want you to know about. Then, carefully pour the hot vinegar directly onto all the limescale deposits. Make sure you coat every inch of that brown and yellow buildup. Do not pour it into the water at the bottom. Pour it directly onto the scale. Now, take a full roll of toilet paper and soak it in the remaining vinegar. Wrap these soaked paper strips directly onto the limescale above the waterline. This keeps the vinegar pressed against the surface so it cannot run off or dry out. This is called a poultice method, and it is what makes this technique so devastatingly effective. Leave everything to sit for a minimum of 3 hours. For heavy, long-standing buildup, leave it overnight for 8 to 12 hours. Do not rush this step. The longer the acetic acid has contact time with the calcium carbonate, the more completely it dissolves. After the soak time, remove the paper and take a stiff bristled toilet brush and scrub the treated areas. You will notice immediately that what used to feel like concrete now crumbles and wipes away with almost no effort. Finally, turn the water supply back on, flush twice, and look at your toilet. Then add one final step that most people skip. Pour half a cup of plain vinegar into the toilet tank, not the bowl, and leave it. This treats the inside of the tank where limescale forms silently for years, clogging valves and costing you hundreds in repair bills you never saw coming. Thousands of people have used this exact method and the results speak for themselves. One woman in Manchester had not been able to remove the limescale ring from her toilet for 11 years. 11 years of scrubbing, spending money on products, even having a plumber in twice. After using this overnight vinegar poultice method, the ring was completely gone by morning. One viewer saved over $800 in a single year simply by stopping his monthly descaling tablet subscription and his annual plumber visit. Another person used this on a holiday rental property and reported that after a single treatment, the toilet stayed completely scale-free for over 14 months. 14 months of clean results from $1 worth of vinegar. The before and after is not subtle. This is not a slight improvement. The toilet goes from looking like it has not been cleaned in years to looking factory new. And because white vinegar also kills 99% of common household bacteria, you are getting a full sanitization treatment at the same time. The results can last up to a year with a single deep treatment. And if you do a quick maintenance pour of half a cup of vinegar into the bowl and tank once a month, you may never see limescale return at all. Not for years, possibly forever. The cleaning product companies know this. That is why they have never put it on the back of a bottle. That is why there is no TV ad telling you to buy white vinegar, because you already own it. They cannot profit from what you already own. So here's what you do right now. Go to your kitchen, get that bottle of white vinegar, and start this method today. And if this has just saved you money, if this has just changed the way you think about what these corporations have been doing to your wallet, then hit that like button. It costs you nothing, and it tells YouTube that real, honest information like this deserves to be seen. Subscribe, because next week I'm going to expose the shocking truth about why your washing machine smells, the hidden mold that manufacturers deliberately hide from you, and the free ingredient that eliminates it permanently. And here is your final shocking tip before I go. Pour 1 cup of white vinegar into your toilet tank right now and leave it overnight without flushing. Tomorrow morning, flush twice and lift the lid of the tank. What you see inside will change the way you think about your plumbing forever. You have been paying for problems that were always yours to solve. Not anymore.